Hey guys, Noah Garrett here, and today we're going to be checking out a pair of Triumph Scrambler 1200XE saddlebags. Our friends over at Viking Bags were nice enough to send us the Incognito quick mount saddlebags. We have them in 15 liter, 10 liter. Let's go ahead and check them out. Okay, first initial look, and I'm very impressed. The bags are versatile and stylish, available in two sizes, the 15 liter and the 10 liter. These bags are designed not just for utility, but I'm also rather impressed with the design itself. Now Viking Bags says this is a pretty easy install, so let's see how accurate that is. Here is a time lapse of me getting it done. Thankfully, Viking Bags supplies you with pretty much everything that you need hardware-wise for the install, so watch and enjoy. So the install took me about 15 minutes. I managed to get everything done using some hex head Allen keys and a pair of pliers. Both bags feature a stylish combination of durable canvas and premium leather. Not only do they look great, but they're built to withstand the elements thanks to their weather-resistant lining. Safety is always a priority as well, especially when you're on the road. Both bags come with a reflective design, ensuring you stay visible during those low light rides. Whether you're parked and your lights are off, at least you have the reflective design to be able to make sure that people can see you. Now let's talk about convenience. Each bag, I feel, is thoughtfully designed with a nice handle for easy carrying, plus a unique bracket locking system that ensures that bags stay securely in place while you're on your ride. And for those quick stops, you'll probably appreciate the fact that it has quick release buckles and the quick release detach system that makes removing the bags a breeze in case you want to bring your bags inside with you. Moment of truth. Let's get riding and let's see how they look on the road. The lid of the 15 liter bag opens up to about 12 inches by 6 inches, providing a generous storage capacity of 915 cubic inches. On the other hand, the 10 liter has a lid that opens up approximately 12 inches by 5 inches, with a storage capacity of 610 inches. Whether you're looking for a spacious 15 liter bag that can accommodate a laptop or the more compact 10 liter option, I'd say both are a perfect companion for any ride. Crafted with style, durability, and practicality in mind, these bags are ready to elevate your motorcycle adventures. Thank you all for watching the video. I am very excited to use these new saddlebags on a day-to-day use riding around town. I'm very happy with how they look, and I think Viking Bags did a great job making them. Hopefully this video helped you make up your mind on your next bag purchase. I myself am very excited about them. Again, I'm Noah Garrett. Take care, safe ride.